We are scanning our QR code, and here it is.
You can scan by Android phone, you can scan by a barcode gun scanner. It is very fast, it is very easy. You have all flexibilities. You can either be very strict, only that material will be issued that is noted in the job card, in the bill of material. Or if you want flexibility, if you do not have, let us say, the 48-inch size and you have a 50-inch size, you want to issue the 50-inch size paper, fine, you can. So based on the control panel settings, whatever you want, it can be done in split second, very fast, very easy.
We will issue our this raw material, this reel. We are considering this as a reel having this QR code sticker on it. During the MRR stage we had taken out the sticker, and this is the request entered by the production department. Now we will issue this particular product against this request. Now we are going, Vipin is helping me in this session. We are going in inventory module, and in inventory we are going in material issue entry. We'll click on this new, select that pending request by selecting the proper type here, and these are the pending requests. We will select the desired one. So now our request appear in the grid with the item and the quantity required. And now we are going into the second tab, lot batch reel details, and under that we are clicking on this scan barcode area. We'll bring cursor on this particular area, then take out our scanner. This is just applied on the USB port. This is a simple barcode scanner. We are scanning our QR code, and here it is. Clicking on this read data, and this has been issued. Look at the weight coming here. Look at the weight in the sticker. Look at the item code. Look at the item code here. So all the details have been filled in now the grid. We'll just press this save button.
Using the barcode, now the computer can compare what should have been issued and what you are issuing right now. So if the material is wrong, system will give you the appropriate alert and tell you that you are doing something wrong. And if you allow him flexibility, it will allow you up to that flexibility. Start your work. Very easy, very simple.
Now again we'll click on this save. Are you sure? Yes, we are very much sure. And this has been saved. So this particular reel of 400 kgs has been issued by just a click of a barcode scanner. We just move on to the area where it has been tagged. We'll just scan the barcode against the request, and this will be issued to the production department. So this is how it is done in Finsys. So this was Mr. Vipin here. He helped us during this session for creating this particular session here, and myself Sumit. Thank you very much.
Issuing paper, issuing raw material, whether it's plastic molding or rubber molding, sheet metal or corrugation packaging, flexible packaging or stationery, Finsys at your service. Any assembly operation, any electronic manufacturing, using barcodes help you in the right traceability, does not allow unnecessary wastages or unnecessary mistakes.
These stickers, like first is the A4 size, then A5, and we have this small size also. Vipin, can you show us these sizes? Can you show the A4? Show us this A4 and give it as printout, and then till the printout came, show us the smaller one also. This is the A4 size showing all the details of the RM which has been received. Our reel number, vendor reel number, all things are coming here with the QR code. And now the printout has been sent. Till then we'll see this A5. We'll select the MRR. This is the A5 size. Good. Showing all the details. And now can you show us the smaller one? Yeah, this is the small. Select the MRR. So this is the smaller one. So we have the 3 sizes available for these stickers. Yeah, so friends, now we have the printouts of